guys.
Hi.
Okay, so I'm doing my sister's hair. This is actually the second time I'm doing it. The last time I did it, it was my first time ever, all right, doing braids. And what do you think? I think it just came out nicely.
Yeah, it was so nice. It was like thinner than this.
Yeah, the size was
like
quite smaller than this one. Yeah, so today we're doing a bit thicker in size, also because we wanted to, you know, take a very short time. And so this is how it looks like. We've done kidogo, like maybe a quarter of the head, and this is how it looks like. Ebu, try and come closer, show them. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. All right, so we are now continuing. We want to finish. I'll just show you how I do it. It's my own way. I'm not an expert, but you know what, yeah,
Go like that.
so guys, this is how I do it. I zungusha it like this. I twist it again like 3 times, twisting it. Then I hold it like this. Okay, the first time it was very hard, but I guess practice makes perfect. By the time you're finishing the entire head, just make sure that you tighten it, all right, as much as possible. Okay, then then you just go one. See, like here, some hair came out, like so, like so, like so. So just ensure that you have, I have hair on my face, I think. It's disturbing me. What the hell? Make sure that you tighten it, and you're, of course, trying to be as neat as possible. All right, like that. So I do it that way, then I leave it halfway for finishing later, once we've finished so you see the way it is. It's these ones are very thick. Okay, so the partitioning, I'm doing a big partition, like it's not a small partition, because I'm using like we're doing like big sizes. So this is how I partition. So this is the kind of partitioning that I do for this size. Okay, the last time we'll share the photo of how we did it last time. They were really like thin and very neat. So we will come back to you. This is how the partitioning, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is how the hair looks like as of now. We'll show you the final product. Yeah, okay.